Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be reacting to this girl that sneezes a lot. I think like every time she talks or something. I haven't watched this video, so we're going to experience it together. If you haven't watched it, if you have watched it, just stick around. And I am joined with my sister Sophia.
Hi.
And we are going to react together. She has not seen it, I have not seen it, so we're going to experience it all together. Let's go.
12-year-old Caitlin Thornley started sneezing a month ago, and she hasn't been able to stop. Just listen to her.
Yikes.
The schoolgirl who lives outside Houston sneezes 12,000 times a day.
Whoa.
Sometimes the 7th grader can't complete a sentence.
Some kid ends up making fun of me or something like that, and it just gets...
The only time the sneezing seems to slow down is when Caitlin listens to music, specifically the Beatles.
Even in my dreams, I sneeze.
For now, it's a medical mystery. Doctors have ruled out allergies or a virus. Until they figure it out, Caitlin can't go to school. We've seen this phenomenon before. Remember this teenager who couldn't stop sneezing? Even at her prom, some kids laughed at her. This teenager also suffered from serial sneezing. This is Lauren Johnson today. Turns out she had a rare tic similar to obsessive-compulsive behavior that apparently started with a strep throat infection. Lauren has this advice for Caitlin.
I tell her just to keep going. Don't let people get her down.
I don't care what they do. I just want it to stop. It's been going on for way too...
Aww. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please comment down below what I should react to next. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my other videos where I react and I do my vlogs. And I actually do more videos. I just haven't started them yet. But every day I'm going to be doing reaction videos. So make sure you keep watching them and subscribe to keep update. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Put on post notifications as well. Bye. Peace. Peace. Bye.